Hello friends, welcome to Swellen training session. Our course is CNC with G code and M code. Swellen training session. In this course, we will discuss how to write CNC program manually and check in eCAM software. So let's start. CNC means computer numerical control with G code, M code. Now, CNC is the automated control of machining tool like drills, boring tools, lathes and 3D printers by means of a computer. Next, a CNC machine processes a piece of material like metal, plastic, wood, ceramic or composite to meet specification by following a coded program instruction and without manual operator. Next, a CNC machine is a motorized tool and often a motorized platform which are both controlled by a computer according to specific input instruction. Next, instructions are delivered to a CNC machine in the form of a sequential program of machine control instruction such as G code and then executed. Next, the program can be written by a person or far more often this century generated by graphical computer aided design software. Next, 3D printer also use G code. First we will discuss lathe operation program. Today we will learn about syntax of program. You will see this is the syntax N, G, X, Y, Z, F, S, T, M. Now, N means the line number. G means motion. X means horizontal position. Y means vertical position. Z means depth. F means feed rate. S means spindle speed. T means tool selection. M means miscellaneous function. Now, any other option are also here like I and J for incremental center of an arc and R for radius of an arc. Okay, so this is the normal syntax of our program. Now, we will learn about G code and M code. So first we will discuss about the G code. So this is a G00 for positioning, means the rapid travels for tool. You will see these images indicate the 00 path. See the positioning. Now next G01. So the G01 used for linear interpolation with feed. You will see in image. Our start position is X0, Y0 and now our position is X1, Y1. Next, this is a G02. G02 is used for circular interpolation but in clockwise. You will see in your image G02 means the clockwise arc and in figure you will see easily understand the G02 means the clockwise portion. Similarly, next one is Z03 means the circular interpolation but in counterclockwise. You will easily understand by image. Just Z03 counterclockwise arcs. Okay, in figure you will see G03 means the counterclockwise rotation. G04 for dwell time. Next one is G17 XY plane selection. Next is G18 ZX plane selection and G19 YZ plane selection. So, what is the meaning of this plane selection? I have an image. You will see with this image you will easily understand. See, the G17 means XY. See, G18 means the XZ. See, and G19 means YZ. See. So this is the G70, G18 and G19. Okay. Next, G20 for input in each value. G21 for input in value. G28 return to machine home position. G90 for absolute programming coordinate mode. G91 increment programming coordinate mode. Now we will learn about the G code and M code. So last one we will discuss the G code. Now you will see here some division of G code like for motion. So you will see in motion some code is here like G00, G01, G02, G03, G80, G81, G82, G84, G85, G86, G87, G88 and G89. Other is plane selection. We will discuss in previous slide. For plane selection, the code is G17, G18 and G19. Next one is absolute or increment mode. So G90 and G91. Feed rate mode. So G93 and G94. The units in inches or millimeter. So G20 and G21. Cutter radius compensation. G40, G41 and G42. Next is tool length offset G43 and G49. Return mode in Cannet cycle G98 and G99. Work coordinate system selection G54, G55, G56, G57, G58 and G59. In this, some of the code is standard like G17, G18, G19 for plan selection, like absolute increment G91, G90. Okay. So next, now we will discuss about the M code. So what is the full form of M code? M code means miscellaneous code. First of all, M00 for program stop and press cycle start button to continue. M01 optional stop. M02 end of program. M03 spindle on clockwise. M04 spindle on but counterclockwise. M05 for spindle stop. M06 change the tool. M08 coolant on. M09 coolant off. And the last one is M30 for end of program and please cycle start to run it again. Okay, so this is some miscellaneous code, otherwise M code for our CNC programming. In next lecture we will discuss about some operation and check in this eCAM software. So thank you friends.